Now I'm going to show you how to create thread on a cylindrical surface. To create the thread, I have to go to Feature and look for a hole wizard. Drop down menu, I select thread. Property manager for thread will pop up. From here I have to select the thread location. So I am selecting the start point, and it is already creating a preview for me, but I will change those dimensions according to my need. So if I have an optional start location other than the edge, I can select by clicking here. This is the start point, start angle. If I put an angle, it will do the angle at the start point. The end location, I can select how I want it to be ending the thread. I can say by revolution. If I select that, it will ask how much revolution of the thread I want from the start point. I can also select up to a selection. Then it will start from here and then it will go up to a selection. I can select blind, that what it will do now, and I can select how much depth I want from the surface. So from start point I want 2 inches, it will make the thread up to 2 inches. On the specification, there is options for metric scale and or inch scale, and there is also 2 options for each die and tap. Die and tap is the device that you can use to make your thread on your cylindrical surface. The sizes, these are the sizes for standards. Sizes, M is for metric. I'm selecting M64 so that it's a big thread and it's visible. If you don't want exactly the same size what is given, you can do override. So override diameter, you can also do override pitch. If you select those, the distance between thread can be changed according to your modification. The thread that could be cut thread or extrude thread. If I select cut thread, the thread will be cut down into the material. If I do extrude thread, the thread will be on top of the diameter. And I can also do mirror profile and also the rotation angle. I can do that. The thread options. The thread options are there's right hand thread, then the thread will be following right hand rule. If I select left hand thread, it will be following the left hand rule. And I can also do multiple start point. If I select trim with the start face, it will create a trim on the edge. If there is extrude beyond the surface, then the trim will cut off that additional stuff. I can also do trim at the end face, and there is the preview option. So once I am all selected, I can select my size from here, and once it's ready I can say yes, and you see it created the thread for me onto the cylinder surface. Thank you.